I'm not sure if you guys can see, guys, but look at the sticker showing his butt with kiss lips on it. You guys get that? Means the back is like the butt, so don't go close to it, you know? Kiss his ass, that's what it's saying. It's a good one, guys. That's a really good sticker. It's really hot today, man. Really hot. It's always hot on Saturday, I don't know why. The problem with us, guys, I don't know why, but we sweat a lot, man. That's why I'm tired of this weather, man. I'm tired of this heat. We sweat too much. So I can't wait till this weather's over, and I want it to cool down so I don't sweat. Can relax, go out at night and not sweat. So right now, guys, I'm gonna check out some games and maybe some clothing store. So today might be Cup of the Day number 2. We're gonna see what happens today, guys. Let me know if you guys still like this camera. It's the GoPro. It's so small, guys. I love it. It just sucks that I can't zoom in and stuff, and the lighting's not that good. But I like the wide angle a lot, so that's why I'm using it, guys. So let's see what happens. Hey yo, what's good, everybody? Fly Lopez here with another fly video. So guys, today I'm gonna go eat some food, and then tomorrow I'm gonna do Cup of the Day, where I go and buy, I don't know, a shirt or something, some shoes. You know, I'm rocking them. They're fresh, guys. So yeah, so make sure you guys like this video, and let's check how the day goes, guys. I'm here where in my area, the Good Life. I don't go to Good Life. I work out at home, so I like body weight stuff. But yeah, let's see some likes, guys. I want to see some likes, eh? You guys liking my camera so far? Let me know. So right here, estamos aquí, bro. Nice Lamborghini, bro. Really nice Lamborghini, especially the color, guys. Oh, it's like baby blue or something, right? Really nice, guys. Beautiful. Mountain Dew, code red. Look at that, guys. Alright, we're gonna try this spot out. Golden Lotus Chinese cuisine, baby. Let's try it out, guys. See how it goes. See how it tastes. The Chinese food. I got the sweet and sour chicken balls. We're gonna try it out, guys. Got my really good sweet and sour chicken balls. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
Let's do a taste test, guys. We'll see how it tastes. Hold up, guys. Let me get back. Let me get the bag ready, open up and everything. Came with some hot sauce, soy sauce, sweet and sour. Let's take it out. Oh yeah. Ooh, feels heavy, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Fried rice. Check out yours. Ooh, I'm gonna have to try that one too a little bit. Just one piece of chicken. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. Yeah, look at that sweet and sour sauce. Oh my gosh. Pour it in. See, you could dip it in too if you guys want. Like some of my rice. It's perfect, guys. Yeah, nice stuff, bro. Fried rice. Try another. Wow. The rice is really good, eh? got the chicken bone. Look at that beautiful steam coming out of it. Nice and fresh, guys. Mmm. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys.
A big piece of chicken in there.
Beautiful big piece of chicken. You're actually right, bro. Look at this, guys. Mmm. Oh my god. Wow. You got a piece of the chicken? Get a little. That's a little. What flavor is this one?
Orange.
Orange? Let's try it out. Mmm. Nice and crispy, huh? Wow. It's a really good spot, guys. Mmm. Really good. Take a sip, guys. What is it? I like tight. Mmm. Wow. Look at this, guys. This tastes really good. You guys are, where is this, Highway 27 or something? If you guys are here in Highway 27, guys, come here. It's really good. Mmm. Mmm. Really good, bro.
Thank you.
Wow. Yeah, take it easy. Really good customer service, guys. Like, really good. Oh, hold up. Gonna take it to go. It was pretty good amount of food, guys. So yeah, like I said, if you're in the Highway 27 area, get it. Whenever I'm feeling Chinese food, I'm gonna come and buy it here, guys. The guys were really nice in there. Everything tasted fresh. Everything was on point, especially the rice. The chicken ball had a good chicken inside. It was white, it wasn't brown, like dark meat. It was really good. So if you're ever in the area, like I said, go out and get it. That's what I'm saying. So that means it's a pass, and it's more than a 3 out of 5. I'd give it like a 4 out of 5, 4.2 out of 5. The only thing I forgot to add was get more hot sauce, because I only got 1 hot sauce. I should add for 2 or 3 because I like it mine. So if I added more hot sauce, it would have been probably a straight 5, guys. And I don't think I got onion on my rice. I love onion, so that's why it didn't get a 5. So my rice didn't have onion, and I love onion with my rice especially. It makes it taste so much better because I'm an onion lover. Not a lot of people like onion, guys, but I do. So yeah, like I said, go out and get it now. And yo, all the guys, the little mans are watching this video. If you guys are in the store, you guys are really good customer service. You guys are gonna be, you know, open for who knows how long, for a lifetime, because you guys are really good customer service. So yeah, guys, let's go, man. Just a little random video I did, you know. I just picked up my little GoPro. I'm like, hey man, I gotta record today. Can't be lazy. Trying to be active. So yeah, guys, leave some comments and let's get about 30 likes, bro. You have anything to say to my viewers? ¿Qué pasó?
¿Qué mierda es eso?
Una cámara.
Mira el culiao que anda con los drones.
Ajá. Un hero. Thumbs up.
¿Qué pasó, loco?
¿Qué pasó? El de que no va a ser vos hasta el Canelo Barbones.
No, va a ganar el Canelo.
No va a ganar ningún Canelo, loco.
Sí, va a ganar el Canelo porque hay plata de por medio.
Pero el otro es más viejo, pero tiene old man strength.
Sí, pero sabés que te da una fuerza el otro culiado, una piña que le meta bien puesta.
I know.
Y filmá lo que estamos hablando porque sabés que se va a cumplir.
Salud.
Salud. Guys, it's the really good drinks. A ver el asado
¿Dónde lo veo eso, loco, después?
en el YouTube.
Ah, bueno.
Ese es mi nombre ahí.
Video, culiao,
That's my name. ¿Lo ves?
Ok.
Voy a poner mañana este video. Tomorrow, guys, it'll be up.
Salud, que.
Salud.
Salud.
Este hay que bajarlo, ¿no? Para ponerla.
Que lo vemos, chao,
Chao.
Guys,
Chao,
nos vemos. I'm going to Brian's house right now. Woo. Guys, I'm here with Alberto.
Okay, the best video on the world, okay? With the best guy on the world, okay? Good luck.
Nos vemos. Okay. What's up, guys?
I don't want to be filmed.
No? No. Oh, you don't?
I'm breaching my privacy right now. What are you doing?
It's just going on YouTube because I subscribe.
Yeah.
They don't fuck around, eh?
Hello.
That's my girlfriend, bro.
No, you're going up on YouTube.
I don't want to be on YouTube, guy.
Oh,
Get
you
that
are.
shit out of my face.
You are.
Shit out of
Keep baby.
Aguante River, eh?
Terrible, bro. Of course, you already know. Hola.
How are you?
Hola, Brian. Fun to bring it just to record you guys because I got your dad in it and shit too. Where are you guys?
Yo, Kevin, I'm getting married, eh?
Yeah? Where?
May 30th.
May 30th?
Yeah, we're getting.
Oh, where is it? Here?
Punta Cana.
Punta Cana?
Yeah, everybody.
Okay, I'll save money and I'll go.
Save money.
I'll take my vacation then that
Yeah, that's
day.
why, yeah. Take your vacation.
May?
May
Okay,
30th.
that's in what, like 6 months, 7 months?
8 months.
Yo, put the fucking camera down.
What? We're gonna be using
Bro, I know. Bro,
I'm gonna be famous now.
yeah. Huh? No, no.
Yeah, great one.
You're gonna be on it, I don't care.
Oh, I missed the knockout.
Cheers, guys, salud.
Cheers, man.
Salud, cheers.
Y aguante River, eh?
Ya tú sabes.
Salimos campeón en la Copa Libertadores. Uno a Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi, mientras.
We'll go. Whenever
Abu
they
Dhabi,
do.
December.
Ahí vamos a ir, bro.
Playing Real Madrid, December 22nd, 2018.
Guys, Ronaldo. Oh no, Ronaldo no juega más,
Oh no,
but
he's scared.
he's scared. No, Dybala's there still, right?
Dybala,
Dybala.
Yo, do me a favor. Can you pass my phone?
Who doesn't play? Who doesn't play?
What? Your phone? Alright, I'm gonna check your texts if you have any. Huh? Oh, look at the picture. Maradona. It's a nice one.
Yo, he dropped him with the. It's nice.
You have anything to say to my viewers?
Like and subscribe, comment.
You heard Elias, fly Elias, you know? So yeah, guys, let's get about 30 likes and let's get some comments going. Just remember one thing though, I'll be back though, yeah. Stay fly.